Hello everyone, you're watching Skill Info Tech, and today we are going to speak about different startup funding news and the apps which are getting popular because of the PUBG ban. And is PUBG ban going to be released by the next month? We are going to speak about all these amazing topics today, so be tuned until the last of the video and let's start the video. News number 1. News of apps. The ban on PUBG in India has led to rise of the popularity of all other gaming apps called Garena Free Fire, Ludo King and Call of Duty or COD. All these apps became top 3 gaming downloads in iOS and Android app stores. Well, Garena Free Fire recorded 2.1 million downloads in 4-day time period, and Ludo King recorded 1.52 million downloads in 4 days. Call of Duty recorded 1.56 million downloads on it in 4 days, and this is very amazing. Because of the PUBG ban, I don't think so PUBG is getting very much more benefit as the Tencent Gaming is still confused that it will come in India or not, but the other gaming apps like Garena Free Fire, Ludo King and Call of Duty are making it business very well. Okay guys, let's move on to the funding news of the week. In September 10, food tech based company Zomato has raised 760 crores or $102.5 million in its Series T round. And by this funding, Zomato will be making its company valuation up to $3.25 billion valuation of the company Zomato, which is very near to Swiggy. And Zomato company is also telling that its plans for 2021, it will be doing its IPO by 2021 half year. Yeah, let's move on to the second funding news of the week, that is Byju's. Byju's is a edtech based company which raises $500 million in ongoing Series F round by Silver Lake, and the company valuation is reached up to $10.5 billion after this funding. It's really great. The Indian startup companies of edtech are going very ahead and going international also. Yeah, let's move on to the third funding news of the week, that is Grow app, which has taken up to $30 million of funding in its Series C round, and that is led by Y Combinator's company.
Thank you for watching the video until the end, and please subscribe our channel for boosting your skills and knowing about the startup funding news and the latest updates on this channel. Thank you so much.